Hello world. We're ending 2023 in the right proper way and bringing it in 2024
With a boom.
with a boom. The only way I know how fireworks. That's how we do it. So we have a loud and proud punk rock firework.
Pretty cool.
15 shots. This should be. I'm excited. It's supposed to be pretty awesome. Donnie Arsenal over at the fireworks store told me this is the one. This is the New Year's Eve one. So we'll see you out there. All right, it's firework time. Let's do it.
Woo! This is gonna be exciting. I don't know why I'm so pumped.
Ready? Get ready to run.
Go!
Run!
Run! Ah!
Ready?
Holy! 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 Holy!
Oh, it's a good one.
This is a great one. Whew. Look at the sky.
Happy New Year!
Woo! Woo!
Beauty. All right,
Incredible.
Happy New Year, everyone. Let's make 24 awesome.
Woo!
Woo!